Every step I take today started long before this morning. I learned to code, to think in systems, to solve problems that matter. Hands-on, real world, built for what's next. Guided by mentors, backed by quality education. Because the future doesn't begin after graduation, it begins with the right foundation. Choose NCF, College of Computer Studies.
Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo.
Looking for quality healthcare education with hands-on experience to become future healthcare professional? Then your journey starts here. Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, the home of the next generation of healthcare professionals trained for excellence. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, Bachelor of Science in Biology, At CHS, students learn through state-of-the-art facilities, driven by artificial intelligence such as mini hospital, nursing proficiency laboratory, medical library, and ORDR simulation rooms. Guided by expert clinical instructors, we provide quality education and hands-on training to prepare students for a successful future. Setting the standard as they are the first ever in Bicol to earn Level 3 re-accreditation. NCF College of Health Sciences, your premier choice in global healthcare education. NCF Affordable Quality Education. Your future starts here.
Ano nga ba ang go bag? Ito ay isang halimbawa ng go bag. Maaaring ito ay isang maging backpack, duffel bag, or sa pagkakataong ito, ang aking go bag ay isang dry bag. Ano nga ba ang laman ng aking go bag? Tubig, pagkain, at gamot. Hygiene kit. Meron pa ako ditong sabon, toothbrush, toothpaste, at shampoo. Flashlights and headlamps. Advisable na magdala po tayo ng power bank. Of course, your communication device, notebooks, and other documents. Duct tape and masking tape. Working gloves. First aid kit. At this moment po, naglagay po ako ng dalawang klaseng rope. Raincoat. Meron po ako ditong mirror. Extra batteries. Whistle. Ang layunin ng Bureau of Fire Protection ay ligtas na buhay at ari-arian. Sa muli po, ako ay si Fire Officer 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘍 from Bureau of Fire Protection, Naga City Fire Station na nagpapaalala, laging maging handa para ligtas sa sakuna.
Okay guys, may papakita akong number dito. So, sino yung gustong sumagot? Okay, anong number ta? Nag-number. Wow!
NCF College of Teacher Education, where passion meets excellence. CTED offers Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, and Bachelor of Physical Education. Future educators are shaped through technology-enhanced classrooms, modern science laboratories, and specialized learning spaces that support hands-on and interactive instruction. Secure your career and be a future facilitator of learning spaces.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Pakiwin ko na po lahat yan.
Humble beginning, global end. NCF, world-class affordable education for every Filipino family.
Invest in your dreams. We'll handle the innovation-powered excellence.
This is how we lead the future.
Good day, ladies and gents. Today is the first game of our seniors division in Bocal. I'm EJ. I'll be your commentator for this morning. So today we have an exciting match, and both teams are having a warm-up, firing up, because as you know these both teams, right? We have the USI Falcons against SPC Rams, and both teams had a convincing performance last season. USI was able to get on the quarterfinals. However, they weren't able to reach the semis, but still a commendable performance. Dito naman sa side ng SPC Rams, we know that they're strong and we know that they're capable of doing great things inside of basketball. And maya-maya, matitingnan natin kung ano yung mga pinaghandaan nila. But side scoop lang tayo. On the side of CSB Rams, they had a summer camp where they were able to hone their skills and talents in basketballs. And on the side naman ng USI Falcons, ang alam ko meron silang mga freshies, mga rookies na dumagdag sa team nila. At makikita natin yan maya-maya, matutunghayan natin kung paano ang laro nila nagkaroon ng chemistry because they mentioned na nag-focus sila sa team chemistry. But guys, if you're free and this Saturday morning up until afternoon, visit us here and watch live at the UNC covered court. Now, tapatan ngayon ng Falcons at SVC Sheffield College. Both teams are doing their warm-ups, and a little while, our courtside reporter Dylan from the USI Falcon will give us some updates. At dito naman sa side ng SVC Rams, Jane, our courtside reporter, also will give us some updates. But before we start, we would like to thank our sponsors. Thank you and to give some more updates on the side of SVC Ram, Jane, take it away.
Hello Aljan, and hey Bucalistas, another weekend, another basketball action. Welcome to the first game this Saturday. It's the game between the SVC Rams and the USI Falcons. Kahapon sa interview with Coach Awe, the assistant coach of the SVC Rams opening ceremony, if you were able to watch that, he mentioned that during the off-season of Bocal, they did several initiatives like intensive trainings, summer camps, and of course, hindi mawawala ang kanilang mental preparations. That's why when it comes to readiness, mukhang hindi tayo magkakaproblema. And kanina lang during the conversation nila with Coach Ali, the head coach of the SVC Rams, he emphasized na patunayan na hindi lang sila basta nagbabalik. They are here to leave a mark and clinch a spot for the championship. This is Jane Daluro standing on the side of the SVC Rams to give you the latest and hottest updates. This is Bocal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. We're live here on GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Aljon?
Thank you, Jane. What an update. So, as I've mentioned a while ago, they had a camp where teams were able to hone their specific talents and skills. And now, we know that that camp is very important for the players, especially heading to tournament like this, Bocal. Talagang paghahandaan nila yan. And as we've witnessed, if you're an avid fan of SVC Rams, maganda ang pinapakita nilang laro, but as we all know, they also have rooms for improvements. And later on, makikita natin kung ano yung mga specific skill set ang na-improve nila during their camp. At dito naman sa side ng USI Falcons, to give some more updates, let's toss to our courtside reporter, Dylan.
Good morning, Aljan. Good morning, Bicolandia. I am Dylan Talagtag, your courtside correspondent, bringing you the action from the side of USI Falcons. This season, the Falcons arrive as one of the teams to beat, a formidable squad ready to make their presence felt on the court. With their speed, strength, and competitive fire, the Falcons are set to challenge every opponent and fight for every single possession. Will the Falcons continue to soar and prove they have what it takes to dominate the hard court? Yan ang ating tututukan dito sa Bocal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Balik sa iyo, Aljan.
Thank you, Dylan. What we like about USI Falcons as they have a numbers of rookies on their lineup. So we will see if they will capitalize on that asset because, rookies can bring so much on the hard court. Experience, fun. But we'll see if they will capitalize on that or they will capitalize on their seniors one. And in a moment, they're just preparing. And catch up this live on our social media channels on Facebook, Bukal. We also have live on YouTube, Jin and TV48 Naga, and also we're live on our Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Decision nga Teo, signal number
3. Start of our first quarter.